whenever I feel frustrated, sometimes it helps to count to 5.
Oh, well, let's all try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Cook. Yeah.
Hey,
Cook.
that's enough for me. Oh, thanks, everyone.
Cook.
Hang in there, Josh.
Cook. 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 Put the fish in. Come on. Put the fish. Here. Yes. Put it in. And the other one. Get the other fish. Yay. Put it here.
Did you make this one?
Yay.
Not you?
Kasha. Kasha. Cook. Cook. Kasha.
Let's take a closer look.
And this one. Kasha.
Shaped like this.
Cook. Cook. Can you taste the fish? Nom nom.
It was pickety all along.
Is it yummy? Yummy. No, it's hot. Hot. Blow, blow, blow. Taste. Nom 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 nom.
Fast like it.
Nom nom. No.
A flower in the snow.
It's hot. Oh no.